Picture this, you're listening to music, you start hearing sounds that don't exist. What's happening? I'm laughing. Well, guess what? You're dying. Your ears are giving their last hurrah, pleading and whining. So how do we solve this? What do we do? Well, math has just the solution for you.
Tax evasion.
What you do is set up an equation to find the intensity from decibels and work backwards to sort out the situation. We know that decibel level is equal to 10 log intensity divided by the threshold of hearing. So we input the values and out comes this formula. See it on your whiteboard screen thing. I'm giving it over to you, Micah, in the real time.
Okay, real quick.
So yeah, real quick, we have our base formula above, and if we input our values of 95 as our intensity and everything else staying the same, we know what that constant value is here, and we're solving for x, which is the decibel value, or no, the intensity value. Sorry, we know the decibel value, and we're solving for the intensity. That's what we're getting, so we're going to solve that using some simple algebra. So now let's do that solution. This is our equation. We want to solve for x. We can just undo this with simple algebra and stuff. Our first move is going to be dividing both sides by 10. Thank you, video recording mic. There we go. Divide both sides by 10, and remember, that's just a log base 10. It can be good to put that there when we turn that log into an exponent. And so, as I just said, we're going to turn that log into an exponent. We know how to turn logs between exponents and logs. So that just equals 10 to the power of 9.5 equals x over the threshold of hearing, which is that constant. So then we multiply both sides by that constant to isolate x, and that is our answer. And so we can solve that. It looks like the camera fell down. Mikey, you might need to check on that. Okay, so now we are just going to calculate our final intensity value. So we input the threshold of hearing, which is 10 to the power of negative 12 into that value, and we add the two exponents when we multiply two exponential expressions with the same base, and adding negative 12 to 9.5, same as subtracting 12 from 9.5, which is equal to negative 2.5. And there is our answer.
The end.